Hi guys, just a quick intro to this video. It's of a 2002 or 2003 Golf TDI with the ALH engine. Boost pressure code, sorry I got a cheat here, where did it go? P0234, boost pressure regulation limit exceeded. So it's overboosting basically for whatever reason, and due to the way I work on things in terms of test driving beforehand and data logging, and then doing the vehicle inspection afterwards, sometimes I do record everything, sometimes I don't. In this case I didn't, because I wasn't quite sure how long things would take. That's the other thing, you know, if I usually determine ahead of time if I'm going to record everything and make a YouTube video out of it. In cases where I'm not 100% sure of how long it's going to take, I don't record everything, and then, you know, and in hindsight it always turns out that I could have used the footage. So realistically I should be recording everything, but then also, you know, I have to deal with gigabytes of data or video that needs editing, just like in this case, test driving for 10 minutes before and after the fix, you know, and then I have to find the bits and pieces of video that make sense to you, the viewer, and not make the video too long to be boring. So anyways, there's a before the fix data log, the graphing, etc. I didn't do the snap-on version this time, so there's no files for you to download, but you'll see in the video the graph, the specified and the actual. It should all make sense. The actual fix, because I checked anything and everything that could cause an overboost condition, and then the very last thing, which I probably should have checked first, ended up being the problem, and it was an adjustment that should not need to be adjusted. It's a factory set adjustment. Somebody was in there playing with it, and that's basically what caused the overboost. Again, the video will show, and I may make a video in the future about the actual adjustment, a separate video just for that, and explaining the turbo, etc. But anyways, again, see, I'm rambling as always. Watch the rest of the video, let me know what you think. Car is fixed, no more fault code. Thanks for watching. So I'm thinking on this turbo, the rain rod was adjusted. If I can find it. That definitely looks like it's lower, so somebody lowered it to try to get more boost. So I'm going to raise it back up. That threaded area here, that threaded area right there needs to be higher. I think that's why it's overboosting. So we should still have the code in memory, so I'll clear it. So all I did was I adjusted the turbo vane rod, the stop, and I think it was 11. I adjusted the stop, and let's see if that makes a difference. So we're going to be looking at, we don't care about the percentage. We're just going to look at RPM and boost actual. Boost actual should be the yellow one, and it was quite a bit higher than the specified the last time I data logged it with the HexNet. Staying underneath the green graph, underneath the actual, which is okay for now, as long as it doesn't set an underboost code. I might have adjusted the rod too much. Definitely better than it was. I'll compare the graphs. I'm pretty sure I saved the screen capture from last time, because I remember the yellow graph being quite a bit higher than the green, and right now it's staying just below, and if at all just a little bit above. Somebody was obviously in there and adjusted that rod, or the stop screw, I should say. It's not the turbo vane rod, not the actuator rod, it's the actual stop for the vanes. It was just lugging there for a second in gear, didn't have the RPM up. Bit on the high side there. But you can see the yellow coming down, and then the green drop off was when I took my foot off the gas pedal. So to me, I think this is going to be a fix.
Sorted.